Hey there, my name is Robert and I'm going to try to help you install your dash cam. So your dash cam, it's going to come in a package that has basically your dash cam in it. So there's your dash cam. It's going to have your mount, and it's also going to have your charging cord. And obviously you're going to want to undo your charging cord here. And it's a pretty long cord, so you should have plenty of cord to be able to do this. And then the first thing you're going to do, if you look on the end here, you'll see the end for your charger. There is your charging end, and you take your charging end and you put it together like this. And then obviously you're going to put this in your cigarette lighter, and I think we all know how to do that. Once you've got your camera plugged into the cigarette lighter, you're going to notice that it's going to come on like this, so you're going to be able to see the video that's coming out of the camera. At that point, you take your SD card, and there is the SD card, and you're going to see on the end of the camera there's a slot there for the SD card to go into. So you're going to take that, match it up here, and it goes in like that. So the gold end is facing you, and then you push in the card like that, and you'll notice when you want to take the card out, you can push it in, let it go, and it pops out to where you can pull it out. So again, when you put the card in, you have this end facing with the gold pieces facing toward you, and then you slide it in and push it in, and then you're going to be able to see that the camera is now working. So once you put the card in, you're going to see a little red light flashing there. That means that you're actually recording. So right now we're recording what's going on inside the car. Once you have your camera hooked up, you're looking at it, you see that it's recording, you can see everything going on the screen, which is pretty cool, by the way. You're going to find the mount here, and the mount, it comes with a little plastic piece on the end, and you're going to want to take this plastic piece off like so. So now you've got this exposed and ready to go onto the windshield. Then you take your camera, once you've got this placed on the windshield, and to show you how that goes, it has a little function here where you place it on the windshield. Once you get it on the windshield where you want it to go, you tighten it up by pushing this up, and that secures it to the windshield to where it's hard, next to impossible for that thing to come out or come off without force. The next thing you want to do with your camera to get it on the mount is you'll see two slots at the top there, and you'll take those two slots and it slides straight into there like so. So now when you mount the camera, this is facing the windshield, you now have the camera facing out toward the front area of you driving. So you'll take the camera, once it's on the windshield, you'll have it mounted there, and you'll be able to, your dash cam will be working, you'll be able to see what happens. And if an accident occurs, and we pray to God that it doesn't, but if one does occur, you've got video evidence of what happened if someone hit you. So it's a great item, it's a great thing to have. So I'll show you what it looks like once it's hooked to the windshield. So now you have the camera, and the camera is ready to go up on the windshield. So like I told you, you start it like this. Some people like to wet it a little bit, and probably didn't do it the right way there, but some people like to mount it right smack dab underneath of where their mirror is. So once you get it into place, you push that up, and there you go. Your camera's mounted. Now you're ready to go and hopefully everything works well, no accidents, and it's just a fun tool to have in the car. Thanks. If you got any questions, let us know. But it's a cool dash cam, great to use, and it's inexpensive to where anyone can afford it and have a video record of anything that happens in their vehicle. Thanks again.